Drunk driving is one of the most common causes of car accidents, and it often leads to severe injuries. In addition to medical bills, someone injured in a car accident might be left with lasting emotional trauma, pain, and disabilities. Dealing with the aftermath of an accident can be costly, complicated, and overwhelming. Fortunately, a good personal injury attorney can help you get the compensation you need and provide legal assistance to make the process as smooth as possible. Who pays for a drunk driving accident? The first place to look for compensation is your car insurance's personal injury protection, or PIP coverage. Every car insurance policy in the state of New York is required to include $50,000 in PIP coverage, which covers medical bills and lost time off work when the policyholder or their dependents are injured in a car accident. These benefits are available anytime you're injured in a car accident, no matter who's at fault, and are available even if you were hit as a pedestrian. However, drunk driving accidents can be very serious, and PIP may not be enough to cover all your costs. First, it will only cover up to your policy limit, which will be $50,000 unless you paid for more when you bought the policy. It's very common for medical bills to exceed this amount for serious injuries. Plus, PIP doesn't cover pain and suffering, emotional trauma, or disabilities, which can occur in serious car accidents. Getting compensation for these kinds of injuries usually requires filing a lawsuit, and you will want an experienced personal injury lawyer to represent you. Drunk driving lawsuits. The victims of drunk drivers have more sources of compensation available than most car accident victims. The obvious person to sue in any drunk driving case is the drunk driver. In personal injury lawsuits, the main question is whether the person who caused the injury was acting negligently. Drunk driving is a textbook example of negligence, so most of the time, the driver and their insurance company are willing to settle. There might also be other people liable for the accident, depending on the case. In New York, it's possible to sue a bar or restaurant that continue to serve a visibly intoxicated person or a minor. This opens up an additional source of compensation in some cases, which is helpful when the drunk driver and their insurance company don't have enough money or coverage to cover all your injuries. If the driver who injured you was underage, it's also possible to sue the host of the social gathering where they got drunk. Much like suing a bar or restaurant, this is a good way to access additional compensation. Who should I contact if I've been injured by a drunk driver? If you or a loved one have been injured by a drunk driver, contact Rosenblum Law for a free consultation today. Our experienced personal injury lawyers will assess your case and find the best strategy to get you the maximum compensation that you deserve.